In southwest China's Chongqing municipality, a surprising fervor for winter sports has taken hold, transforming this furnace city known for its scorching summers into a hub for ice and snow tourism. Although snow is rarely seen in the urban area of Chongqing, the city's abundant mountain resources offer a distinctive winter landscape. Chongqing has taken advantage of its unique geological conditions and established 23 winter sports venues to cater to the needs of winter sports enthusiasts.
之前呢都是在那种平地上玩雪，滑雪跟玩雪真的乐趣完全不一样。滑雪的话就很刺激，虽然第一次有点害怕，但是呢我感觉摔了之后就反而更加的勇敢，更加的能体验到滑雪的那种刺激的感受。
In the Jinfu Mountain Ski Resort, there are more than 140 ski instructors, most of whom come from northeastern China. They usually work here from mid-November to early March next year.
我是来自黑龙江哈尔滨，在金峰山呢已经工作11年了。这边那个游客嘛，就是说南方小土豆嘛，他们对雪的热情非常的高涨，好多人是第一次来尝试滑雪，所以他们更需要给他们提供一个专业的指导和帮助。
Nantian Lake Scenic Area has rolled out a series of ice and snow tourism activities this winter, drawing nearly 250,000 tourists and generating revenues exceeding 71 million yuan, up 132.9% and 60.22% year-on-year respectively.
虽然我们这里是重庆，但是我也想到了北国风光，千里冰封，万里雪飘的诗句。
Statistics show that more than 4.88 million people participated in winter sports in Chongqing from 2018 to the end of 2022. Data from China's leading online platforms, Meituan and Dianping apps showed in December 2023, online searches for skiing in Chongqing surged by over 250% compared to the previous month, while bookings for skiing venues in the city increased by over 120% compared to the same period last year. The furnace city has organized more than 200 cultural and tourism activities this winter, many of which include ice and snow-related activities, continuing until the end of February.